obi a woni nyame na ni patimi e ka wa no tuma na wa kasa woni nyame a wo som no
boko
na me ka bibi ncho me tie Nigel na za ba ni ma ka cho o je 419 e ka so bi ya bukata wo ye bukata mu 419 pa I'm telling you.
Okay, an instance ben anasa niam ben
instance ne pa say en come say no say metimi a she better than some come say no hwe o follow the trend that air course is here na obi anim say MPP oba be ko abatwo.
Okay,
two people anye alancho mate be ba obia but MPP so tradition no for no ensem bebre wo ho enti omonim say be dice oman ni my dey say say bebre place oh any man care for NDC.
Okay,
enti wo gina wona do adwen efa wo no hye enkom we na ko gina edom anim say wo hye enkom we ya na won kasa mu unnim nia wo ba wiase be.
Mena fume mwakaba ediba tumanchi so na nyame hwa sa wo chipre ehwe yen videos na misra se won subscribe ya na wa subscribe edi aman afi so share video no na obi so ensa etimi enkembi na no ada 31st ya etwa mu na eye asofo adodo na ebe hye nkom na emumu anai wodi nyansa kakra eton ho enti wo choki bi ebi wo hono a omanka wodi asie esanse bosuro obi enu hono mu a opese ye use no as scapegoats eno na ye papa Nigel Gazi eka ese ono de o ma ne ho kwan ma ye use no as a scapegoat emfa no enkire eye asofo ahodo a won aka enkwamhye no ehunti enu nti ye ne nkwamhye no wan sha mfa ma Ghana for na emum o hye ma nation bi a ye from omofiafo ena o hye nkwam no ede ma wo na no na ye bisa seso enipa na wogu na sondem ho na o hye nkwam na kire wan a wo bo nsem eboje ne so eka amen ni hallelujah no won so wo ye omofiafo esunsun na betena ho anase Ghana fo nipa na kwotena akonwa no so etie no kan nkwamhye no eno eni ade a ene yesi nkonwa a ye ba abebobo hu matonsa afre Ben Bruce wa ha ye beka ho asem abra IGP ede nensem ebetu dwa se eye 31st night a wo ba bedie passover crossover overtake passing by crossing by ni nyina ho nkwamhye no wo sha na wodi nyimdie eni nyansa ato ho esanse Ghana ha mara no se wo kan asem bi na se woni evidence dia na emra ne chiwa wani kura nya mfie num obakwa akodam enti si wonim se woni evidence dia na e won talk nemo when sisi obi ase mon hyankom enso ene na kamia ye se IGP ne won yo de man crofo bi no ato omanu mu padlock ye de locker lock ye zipu nti bebre na na o man kasa enu na ye papa Nigel ya san be kan se ono tie enya dia ye betinya intimidate no obi entimi nhye no so adom na ode ye adwuma no ne nyame nanam enti se nwosra ne ba na nkom se ne ba eyade a obehye aka no se ne tie na esanse ye difrisoro na ama no nyono na opran ne bibia na se ne utimi nsutwa ho ba be ka che ensem pese ye be yusu ede aye sua de ama afoforo de ane no ensem wo ho a wase ye kan enu ti ma mi twa me ho mra me ba ne edi nkomo mesanso ema akwa babie mu na ye nche ho kra no mame mompin eye mi bedwani ni amfa enkomo no enhyehye so ben mo akwa ba
Yeah, me
ati san
adom
31st you kwa sorry
na me wife for
it went me up it's prophecy no anya bi wana hwe TV
me hear prophecy
but we hwe TV
me hwe TV pa
and you monitor ne na ekoso
ba me prophecy me a prophecy nyame bo me no me a me hu say me prophecy me hear prophecy we are say to survive. Yeah.
Okay, but monitor the way na trend no airport
me monitor na straight na wawa
and you know that
yeah me hu ye me say na ye so for me 419.
Wow.
419 atrofo akrofo omo se bebre em say omo didi omo no mo kwan say make yes of course because when we be na me hwa de na sere na me hu say nyame
okay
na me hu say obi a wonim nyame na ni patimi e ka wa no tuma na wo akasa wonim nyame a wo som no
boko
na me ka bibi ncho me tie Nigel na ta ba ni ma ka cho oje 419 ye ka so bi ye bukata wo ye bukata mu 419 pa I'm telling you
okay an instance ben anasa niam ben
instance ne pa say e come say no say metimi a she better than some come say no hwe who follow the trend that air course is see ana obi anim say MPP oba be ko abatwo
okay
two people anye alencho matia be ba obia but MPP so tradition no for no ensem bebre wo ho enti obunim say be dice oman ni mai dey say bebre be say oh any man care for NDC
okay
enti wo gina wo na do adwen efa wo na hye enkom we na ko gina edom manim say wo hye enkom we ya na won kasa mu unnim nia wo ba wiase be
o se eye omofiafo
say tigari for
wa ka MPP o se PPN
tie
I don't see another part
tigari for
PPN
tigari for
omofiafo
these are people amikas over your 419
okay
na mo tima say they don't even know God who check it those time the disciples of Christ yes she bi ye twitwa bi yeah but they fought because they believe in what they were doing.
It is our system.
No, prison. So who got it? No, if you know,
also my use as a scapegoat on you.
What's it?
Oh my use as a scapegoat.
Yami some. You need right thinking people way more. Right thinking people more. But the remember me can be actual in the sight of men and but that's what he wants you to do.
Okay.
Now, when Yamina was small now, you won't fear what will happen to you. But because a true funny your friend is saying, book at home, book at a Fontino. IGP, Ekaya, all himself, what we are true for. I want to now, who himself, you know, man, now won't catch that. Your friend said, Chief Imam, I know 99, said, you are going to die. Who catch Chief Imam, 99, so who are?
Say a vision.
Vision, vision, phone.
Yamina,
Mammy can reach up. Me, Chief Imam, Eja, come up on my say, Yamina family. Oh, that's what I'm going to go for 2 way. Go for Bonnie bring that to kind himself for Bewa.
We're doing fear was so.
This is what
crack. Near Bible, neck higher.
Yamia, Shana, but you can say Obewa. And then you where you come say. I dear fool where you where you come say.
No, you come say.
No, where you come say.
Yamina, dear.
Go back to the times. Wait.
What catch them all mafia for?
Oh, what catch a Tigari nation?
All mafia.
Papa no Tigari nation or kind. Oh, these people they are jokers. What big Ghana for you? Can say Papa, we see many of our scapegoat. Now I'm going to them. I'm telling you.
So do you think say near IDP can ye no ehu ebo no enti nene o kan omofia wan ka Ghana fo a ene se na ye nyan nim se MPP nene akoda ne PPN na eye NDC so eno so akoda ne DCN yes
you see IDP afekom yes wo se woni nyame a wo soma gina no na ka chem se nyame no se meka.
It was a test and
they have failed. I'm telling you. Which they said, sir, I saw for now, so called prophet. Now, let me look, check this thing out. Over saying, I'm your 10 years last day, not 31st, they're not, or the concept different. Or we are sharing there.
Different.
What kind of God? What kind of God are we serving? And what are these people? Yamina minimum, and yes, I am no minimum. Almost 7 years for thank God. I'm telling you.
And no Ben, as soon as you will see us here, and as soon as you almost want to see us.
So I'm just here.
So did you know any of it's not you.
It's me the whole year. January shall come. Or December. Oh, say,
Abrana a year Israel for Congo, so our museum assassin. Not Yamin himself won't go soon. But no himself a maybe papa or best summer a year. What friend was saying Moses no akwa you o mafiri kwaso enu nti no otonebo e prepare ya to say ya wo Moses hwensu a ye di Moses kwato mo Moses awo no da bi okopie ye eni ade emre ne so ye no e no frɛ Moses ena o ka kire say makoa aha say na mpesa wo ye
unse meba unse wa so bu
David me try say me try say from January no nyame nim say or prepare prophecy no
or prepare prophecy
or the man baba mpa ya no ma chro
mama ka be Ghana problems nefi koto pofu aso 40 say I'm telling you Ghana problems are facing now amo mani ba nya adwuma o kan tin ba se kona go adwuma utimi ma obi ba so from Monday to Sunday are you mad nyame na kasa sa ka try o se ye fast 6 days saying ma never one day enso no utimi ba so Monday Tuesday Wednesday no mu give for him no mu go for worry these are the men ka test case ka try you
o se na say one man say nya for I don't know what she said
because they only omo use psychology
okay
sa prophet of doom e hu on the shady pem hwe ansa no obi benya ho I said the hu e show mu me the hu show mu na o spirit able to ba menya
okay
psychology and again afo hu nyansa e hu say nkofo what they are doing they are using psychology on us me catch us so bewu you come to me over the gym bible na owo de so bia bewu enti owo na won ka no ase chese enti nyame de owo bi baba da ade na mo osaboti ti nyame sa that day no only na me tell them say oh everyday enti kwafo say they were quiet one man can silence you let us say munni munyame Roman army they were I said they were the conquest of the world omo ti silence Christianity IGP wa test case was so pakasa we say I wouldn't be used for a scapegoat na kwa kan ko be mu
enti ben IGP so aye 31st no nam la pass pa
say what check
onam sa area
what check we ya na ka petewa because you see I didn't know you me have the papa kuni na it was height that time na so usu beba I prophesy about your friends chief imam no
okay
chief imam what do you mean I come to you Ghana because so much be bomb because it can be full able full no I'm sorry na any chief imam nyame onyam tin so am sorry nyame ma na say catch on so omungai e no konko rapper no onkunkum nipa who has caused it so called prophecy don't say yes these people must be arrested I'm telling you these people they have not me I can prophesy today who will win 2024 who will win 2028 who will win 2032 and yet something that is there when you follow it to come to pass you don't need a prophecy nyame no are too busy to be talking about this politics and football football keke prediction and go for bet me bet e win we go bet e lucy
amfa uta so bet you ene ye won asofo bi mu wo hono a minor prophet a won so wo hyenkom nanso ne san say won nya star won nya celebrity enti ye nto won ka ene ye won krofo a omo de omo ba didi e wo man Ghana mu nanso no hwe o prophecy na all the time no ye wo PPP wo ho won kan wo de PNDC e wo ho ye kan mo de Green Street ni de wo ho ye kan ni de Akuadonkwa me ma me ba ko pe na ki ase ni bi no awi na ya ase ni bi no awi ni but all the time is MPP NDC Atem pantina a hon one day one prophecy in effort.
Oh, when I say a child the type of men that they are stomach prophets. Because MPP NDC back when we near back when we and one that's can now back we quite another just an okay Mr. Kobe. Will be here to me betting football. No, yeah, you walk or betting and no lose.
I'm fat
from prophets. Can you put this hard time with you? Okay, a high time my your mom who said. Nyame no government na or no dey ba no and the kingdom of heaven and no na ye pe ho asemati sofo amaba wa sorry ka me boni chere ka enkoji asem chere me nature politics awo ye nature say be kro no ene dwaman ya wo bo ka me boni chere na sorry na we be owu ye ba o ye wunya na ye de we wunya na ye de mama wunya na ye de e dey na aba oh these people are you're from charlatans. You got charlatans. Obia or boot him or to a boogie now or I'm telling you. Only a criminals are the highest order.
Okay.
And you say Ghana for storm so wait just say Oh, they say, Open Finyamio. You open Finyamia, you can't, and Kabe. No one will be able to say, yes, you stand by your word and you believe in your word. But when you will like a choco cacano,
a woman, I'm a person who's away Finyami, way Finyami.
oh, Yami, Mammy can't be sure.
Okay.
In some no more can. Met me at your mocha. Nanso Mammy, Obiaka, or Mammy, so open himself for or Madrid airport and this so.
Okay.
Yeah, political when after every 8 years in Conforce, it's open himself and this side. Baumia of enough, Chairman Tiffia, Ebia, right there, a become Temtema, MPP party, or my seat. These are what we call a mind saying, a idea, no, you bet me, Yaka, when young comes
the prediction.
Well, prediction to say lotto, Lotto. I'm telling you, no more can a lotto. Because I did not make an idea, make me know what she says, see ya, and well, back to your camp, crash a police for Quachano. Was it, or no, you know that, so being night or being pop by I empty. I the deputy ever. This is criminal or ways but we know what you say. Nasade no can ebe go so. One year, opportunity doom any road ebe so. Because it was the same say no, and yes so. It's high time you focusing like that. You never be we don't have time for these people. Almost send for fee, almost send for juma, almost send for thinking. When them and no man you call as say no, they are not working no. Because we say no ha so for bet me come. It mean ya juma. Who say obroni mean say. Some of we ya come and na ya stop your man. They will continue. Family the ITP me born abaso. I don't know here no. What stop them na? Ama me say when you are not text this.
Nyame ba 31st and ka we obenya nipa.
Obenya nipa kwen.
Akosoro.
E what dey go bia. Was on one no tell na you say what can clear and fuck them.
The whole popo.
Tell say oh can you done it.
Mafia.
E ga na say na local no.
So also mafia.
Ah, say
mafia.
Mate. You better no.
Hey, in fact, mafia no dey daji me go pin papa no tell me say country ko. I from mafia, I wa PPN no ho no mo na ya. Yenya ya kwa ni bi ben ye di besi na so tu ahwefofo.
Masa, me catch am Ghana for mamu Jimmy o. Sa so called prophet me dey omo nya foko. What will you say? And your mind blowing something that they are doing to you. Work hard. Come with them bomba e change nyame beti o. Sanko for no lotto. Me ameti ga predict no mo kano. Ethiopia bomba ye na jai boni ye na bomba na ye adwuma eno ano no na all of you said then who come for you.
Nyame sha wa wohwa me won so adwenkyere ne owaka ne obese ne wonti ase ne opese obisa offer your comment section as na making kind fama like your videos na share your all the social media platform no so edi am je so ani Empress Ann emema nyina ka YouTube akopɛ hwe ho so yi makra